a cloud coding environment so that you don't have to install a bunch of stuff just as you're getting started. REPL 8 is the editor we're going to be using, and it's really powerful and really flexible. To get started, come to REPL.it and create an account. Once you have logged in to REPL 8, you'll see something more or less like this. At the top right, you'll have a button to create a new REPL, as well as your REPLs, which should be empty for now, languages, and your profile. We're going to click on New REPL. Here, we're going to select Python. Notice that there's a bunch of different Pythons, including an older version of Python, as well as other frameworks and things like that. We're interested in just normal Python. This is going to create a new editor for you that uses Python 3, and it's going to be what we'll use throughout the entire course. You can give it a name and you can give it a description so you remember what it's about later on when you see it in your profile. When you create your REPL, you'll see something like this. You've got your files on the left, you've got your code here in the middle, and then you've got the output of your code on the right. For now, we're not going to be using files, so you can click this little icon to close it down. By clicking at the top, you can edit the name and the description if you didn't do so before. And whenever we type some code, you can then press the green button to run it, and then you'll see any output of the code on the right. One of the great things about REPL 8 is that you can share your editor with someone else. So if you ever have any problems as you go through the course, you can create a new topic in the course Q&A, give us a description of the problem and what you're trying to achieve, and then also paste in this link that you get here. Then we will be able to see your code as you see it. When you do that though, remember to not change your code after you've shared it with us, otherwise your Q&A and the code that we see will no longer be in sync. Every time you start a new lecture of this course, I recommend you create a new REPL for it. That's it for this video. Now that you're all set up, let's get started learning Python. I'll see you in the next one.